Yes, people. Good night, good night. You see the voice of Wakaman is here. Signing on. Telling everybody what my mission is about. So as I come on here tonight, thanking God most of all. He is the boss. He is the one giving me health and strength. God is the one carrying me where I want to go, people. So as I come on here tonight to address this nation, I see police dying. Plenty police in the force going and dead. Plenty people going and commit suicide. Ashore. Plenty people going and commit suicide. Now, as I hear and I come on, people, I want them to know that many people, government take heed with this. If you don't like me, okay. Or let's do something by. Come on, man. Do something. Not for the case of election, not for the case of anything. Or let's do something for the case of the youths and them, Neil. Harbhajan. Betty, how you going, Betty? I come on here this morning to say suicidal, everybody on suicidal mode. I see police going dead, politicians, all they have no feelings of people. I begging of people from high places. I want all of them to come into the matter and deal with this nonsense taking places. Now, I come to talk some matter. Everybody vast into studying down the road here, murder here. Every day on the TV, murder come like nothing. Like how the man say in the thing, he said the floods like the movies. The man say real. When they interviewing the man on the TV, the man saying it like the movies all here. So let's share the video. Share the video. This video is about the police and them. Plenty police going and drop. Like the Deotas them now tell me that it. The Deotas them talking. And I buy tower from a candle to light outside. I buy 2 tower outside. I buy boxes of candle. Look at her real candle here. Candle to light. I buy up thing. I buy milk for tomorrow, people. I burn up my waist. Because the jam in the obia, but it can't walk. Big up to New York inside. I want all to know Peter Mac, police gone dead. Mother is the boss, boy. She ruling, boy. Them calling me madman, but I'm not backing up everything where they say I'm mad with. Big up to Toronto. Big up to Toronto, man. Canada in the house. Put a loony on top of toonie and let me make a trini. We're talking about Eastern currency, boy. Put a loony on top of toonie and make a trini. Eastern currency, bro. So as I come on here tonight is plenty suicidal, a dreaming and a seeing way. A woman, look out, look out for all the female men, look out for all the people. All please look out for one another. Be your brother's keepers. Some of them talking about the Sabbath. I don't give a damn about the Sabbath, boy. Yeah, where Jesus said, let the dead bury the dead. My Father have work in heaven to do. You understand? I don't want to hear about Sabbath. If my father dying on a Sabbath day, what I go do? But I don't want to see about him. If somebody want blood, the stupid Jehovah witness them. They say how them can't give blood. That is against the religion. Them is shit on. Say if your mother dying and she want blood, what you go do? Now, I have a question for the Muslim them. Which one better Muslim to strap up yourself with a bomb and go up in a building and blow it up, or eat a piece of pork? The Muslim and then like locked on here tonight. I want to tell me which one better. Strapping up yourself in a bomb. No. I come to tell you about the blood press. I come to tell you how my neighbor have a big praise tomorrow. I'm showing the whole world live tomorrow. All in the camera inside. I zooming it up. I fixing up my camera and I'm showing all you the nastiness where they supported in Trinidad. And the nasty heads on them like that. By them is Obia people, boy. Them is Obia. All you realizing, all you think I'm lying? Watch. Watch it. Kundalini, boy. When I'm a papi set to jam you and he miss, he is dead. So all you come. That's my weakness. Come. Come. Police, all you going and get jammed. Plenty of all you going dead. I don't know how. I don't know if it's the bandit one kill you, but the deuters them tell me to tell all you and tell Trinidad and Tobago, police going and drop down. Ministers, all you gain it too. Gary Griffin and Nidia to firstly screen, just like how you're screening the police and they want the lie detector, screen the ministers them too. Screen your own self from the lie detector. Put up your own self first and screen yourself and check yourself with the lie detector and see if you go pass it. And when you can pass it, then let others do it. Then let others do it. You be the leader and destroy all the drugs and all the gun where you're sending back on the road. Where they block them bringing for we. Where the nasty police them coming and asking if we want drugs to push and gun to transport. I have the police them name and I have the information. And up and now here reach. Now all they tell me when I cussing them and when I balling this and I balling that. Why you think they want to reach all here? Trinidad and Tobago and the world that locked on. Why they don't want to reach? Because the fish is rotten by the head and I know the secret and they can't kill me. They can't kill me. They have to come good, boy. They have to come good, Trinidad and Tobago. All you please get together. I see in senseless killing. More in school. The children them in school playing rankers. They're playing rankers because they're watching it in the movies and their brethren and their partner. Sometimes a girl in school doesn't want the AV drilling. The AV drilling. Lock up Rowley. Lock up Rowley. Lock up Rowley, Bulaman, Gary Griffin. Lock up Rowley. Anytime you come around me, I will make the police them shoot me. I'm making war. I go hard, but I serious by me backing by. Me backing by. I'm rushing them. Because if the police them will come and shoot my place. That is why Gary Griffin can't come by me. What when reveal? It will reveal. It will reveal to the babes and the suckling. Miss Stacey Ramrope, I see it tonight. Facebook nasty. Facebook doesn't let me see the text them. Facebook, people telling me when they're sharing the video, you're cutting them off. They're nasty, but they could never keep God walk down. Because somehow or the other, God just keep me coming back. A.L. James, boy. A.L. James, how you going, bro? You're just always locked onto me, bro. You that soul, yeah. A.L. James, I know that, bro. Now, I come to tell all about my mother. I come to tell all about the mothers them. That the mothers them that God bless me with. God bless me with plenty mothers. And the mothers them taking care of me. I love you, mommy. Love you, Miss Stacey Ramrope. Miss Stacey Ramrope. Patrick Stout want to call you. We go call and we go talk. Your son there, girl. Your son fighting up and watching them pestilence on them. I'm watching them. I'm watching them, mama. I'm watching them, girl. I'm watching them. They play, they're coming around me. Now, before I go on, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute before I come to the topic. Hold on a second. Now, today, mommy, phone not hooking up to YouTube and show too much guns and too much drugs. Now, what this? I buy candle, boxes of candle. Jesus scandal here. With the Falcock crewing, with everything, $26 for this. I don't give a damn who my money for it. I spend all my money by God. All my money, I went today, and where I get Chad, Mr. James Chad, candle buy, boxes, candle buy, I come in for them buy. All outside Mommy Stacy Ramroop. I buy a nice bulb today, I buy an expensive bulb. And I buy 2 things outside there to light up for my house and them. Already praise it tomorrow, the neighbor going and keep. You don't know. Right? I buy them 2 lights to light up in front of my house. Right? So that is my vibes. And there is the car there with the unruly boys them where I jam from in Tobago Road. When they fell that day, all the Tobago Road I jam them down. All in Tobago Road. All in Enterprise them with it. Money lal. The money where you have you can't buy by. You can't buy God. You can't buy God. Miss Stacy Ramroop, they can't touch me. With the bullet them they put inside the over the couch. All on the ground with the bullet they can't touch me. Touch not the anointed by. Touch not the anointed. I don't need to go and put no goat and no hog. Watch my goat praise them and them doing. Eh? Watch my hog praise they doing. And it still can't touch me. That shit by. The blood of Jesus Christ has someone said anybody with it. I jammed them in the cemetery today. You see I man up my waist? I went to cemetery and I jammed them. I went cemetery and I jammed them. I went cemetery and I jammed them. I had them turning upside down. They running. Then they bad. Go and do your goat prayers. Go. Run by the Baptists. Run by the shit-on Oratians them. Run by them. Them can't touch me by. Them can't touch Mother Kali by. Them ain't knowing the. I want a dead. I want a dead for them. I want to talk for the gods them. I want them come and kill me. Come. Let them come and talk for the right thing. Trinidad and Tobago and New York, Baltimore, and the whole world. I have a song for all of it today. I have a song for all of it today. Now today the song that locked on here today. I want all of it to know. Right? I have a tune for performance today, people. I have a tune for the performance. Now before I go further, people, before I go further, I want to show you something with a little youth. Right? I want to play with a little youth. Watch. All watch all the little youths and them. Watch how I just drop it. So I come in here now and I had them little youths and them who support me with Facebook. This is one of them here. You know, and should be first with Facebook. Pick up on the live. Tell me you learn a lot. Alpha here, Alpha and you know how to tell you what man. Tell them the facts and them are talking the real deep thing and they tell them how people listen what the. Nah, people can't see what's going on because everything covered with propaganda. They're blocking my eyes, but what I want to share with the truth. You understand? Right now, they have a feel over our eyes, or they are moving, and all they are to see the truth. But they don't know what's going on here. They see us walking. I'm not sure you are watching the YouTube man doing. You know what he's doing? He being honest. Look, this cricket ground people. This is people out here. They are in a cold drink. What are you doing? He is doing like Enrique. He working, right? And that's how, that's how we do that whole lot. Right? You hear me the little youth say, all you hear for yourself with the little youth say. Now, I want to show all you something before. I want to come to the point. Now all you hear this now, what you begin in this video, what I promoting, and the nasty radio station are coming for all you know. Are coming, all you're promoting today on the radio are hearing too much gun song and bad man in the gully. All you're doing nothing radio station. Hear it. All I watch it up. Yogesh, how are you going, bro? Right? All the way to the point, eh? Innocent people going, right? Yeah, come along with all the rest, mommy. 5,000 and next studio accent people who know me for help. And millibits are recording. Right, all here now, right? The point of the fact is, right, that I'm trying to tell you. Let me tell you something today. Let me tell you something today. Right? Let me tell you today. This is what we need to do. Mother and father, all you grow up, all your children different. Grow them up. Hey! Da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. And jamming them all there. Yeah, now.
Betty Lou have 6 children with Sam.
Hey!
But like neither of them
Care of them.
they only fronting,
In front the children.
cussing.
In front the children.
How you expect the children to grow up
If the parents and them don't stop. Anthony can.
and try to bring up their kids
In a front away.
and be proud of them
In a little way. So think about the children. Hey! Not later, right now. Think about the children. Hey! Not later, right now. So think about the children. If the children, the flax, it will reveal to the babes and suckling. That is what it will reveal to people. Yeah. The parents had trade. They could sew by the merchant by either man is crack calypso and crack shot song. Because you know why? Either artists too. They're looking for no work. That's why they go get horn.
Every cent he had gambled they
All the gambling you're gambling. And drugs. Children crying.
What she leaving safe so them children.
All they think out. That's the heights in them.
Well, Sam he gone to drink and roam.
Way by.
Where is the love
Family life I come for.
the children need?
Where it is.
Betty Lou, you want some?
All that nasty by parents. Think about the children. Hey! Not later, right now. Think about the children. Hey!
Not later.
Right now. So think about the children. You hear? Let me tell you why. Because we like to blame. We like to blame. Because when we just say go back to the beginning. When God tell Eve or tell Adam your sin. Adam said not me the woman. He blamed the woman. And then the woman blamed the devil. The devil blame nobody. He accept all the power by. We like to be blaming the devil. I love the devil. Devil, Lucifer, Satan. I love you. I love you, devil. And I go worship the devil too. Because the devil is God. You go, the Bible say what you sow, you reap. So you go to God with good intention, you will receive back good. You go to God with bad, you will receive back bad. You don't go and buy God by. You can't buy God with money. You can't buy God with a goat. You can't buy God with a hug. You can't buy God with gold. You buy God with not with prayer from the lip. You buy God with actions. You buy God with getting up in the morning and fasting and praying. You know what is power by? Proper fast. Proper fast. Or let you go and pay them, pundit them to do no. Here I gospel will sing. But before I go, here next tune today. For the nasty children and them. For the nasty children them. Although don't get no harassment. Don't get no harassment, lady. This song I go and sing here. Ladies, don't get no harassment. Don't get no harass, lady. Neil Apple. Tell me now. Tell me if I'm wrong. Tell me if I'm wrong. Da 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 da. Ba da ba da 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 da. There you go. If your mother and your wife are drowning, I want to know which one you would be saving. If your mother and your wife are drowning, I want to know which one you would be saving. But for me, I will hold on to my mother, and my wife will have to excuse Waka. I can always get another wife, but I could never get another mother in my life. Hit the horn, boy. Hit the horn, boy. That's why Calypso coming back. They banned Calypso because the nasty politics them. They didn't like it because we did jam Munilal Kunilal and jam Kamla and jam Rowley. Yay.
I heard some men
saying around the corner
that they rather
their wife and not their mother.
Ask them the reason.
Why?
What the answer.
They could romance their wife but not their mother.
Well, my wife can be flourishing in
Pearl and gold, but my mother
comes first in this blessed world.
But I can always get another. By ring the bell, by hey. Home time, by home time. My mother dead and gone. That's why I gain on so. And I triple up in the Olia and the Talokian and the Hog Pujan and the Bapu me good.
If there is a quarrel
with your mother,
may be mad, but still consider
over the matter.
Don't care how hasty that your mother may be. She will never try to make that little talk so lengthy. But your wife, from the time you have a row with her,
she gone with a man in America. So I can always get another wife, but I can never get another mother. Facebook people, wanna make some noise. An honest wife, good wife, will tell their husband, love their mother. That is a good wife. Will tell them, make sure you take care of mommy because God said that.
This is what I got to say openly. Compare your mother with your wife is crazy. Your wife is like a little lamb in front of you. She pretends to be loving and true. But go to
the bathroom to sponge your face and come back and next man in your place. So I can always get another wife, but I can never get another. Look, Mother Kali, boy. Look, Jaima Kali, boy. Like my mother. Mama Oya, Emmanuel Bones. Can't come for Emmanuel Bones because I jam them. My coffin box coming here soon. My coffin box coming soon. All outside coffin box. I gonna be lie down inside my coffin box coming out. Play with me. All you gonna see my thing, man. You like Obia? Rowley, ain't you like Obia? Rowley! Nasty man, keep Rowley. The workers of iniquity, all they dig a pit for me, and all they waited for it to fall. But all they didn't know that I is smart, and I waited for Madam Kamla, and I waited for Tonton Mango Keith Rowley, and Bullaman Gary Griffin. Come in our house. Bring the police and come. Bring Shagona's police station. I waiting. I wanted. What shall you go see?
I will deliver a calling.
I will deliver by. All and come again, boy. All and come again, boy.
I will set him on high. Because he is known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver and honor him.
No matter what they do, me, they can't stop me, boy. Right now.
And show him my salvation.
The workers of iniquity, they got paid for me.
the workers of iniquity,
they got paid for me. And they wait for me to fall.
trying to take my bread and butter with lies and
Propaganda,
but they're fooling.
they only fooling.
I will not be afraid of what man can do to me. Man, you see, is only vanity. You see,
Who God bless, no man curse.
we shall never hunger.
Who God bless, no man shall ever curse. The blood of Jesus Christ, Jai Makali. Baba Steve, Ogun boy, Papa Osain, Papa Osain and the element fire boy, Jai Makali, and they come and shoot up the place. And when they shoot the place up, and they tell you the ball Ogun Baba sucky balls, that's why I jam your lungs gone, and I jam your balls gone, and jam you in the cemetery boy, hey, a Ramraj Ashok, you get wood, interfere with Asha Samaru, I don't give a damn about you, you can't call my name. You're afraid? Call my name now. I call oh goon boy. Shut up and bad talking Henry White. But always waste that time boy. I don't care about Nevada, who are goal Nevada and who run up on the right and who run up on the left. I don't give a damn about Shaka from Santa Flora. Because I jam in them and I got jam the next Orisha down final. When I done with him, he go run from my house. He done running. He done running. I jammed the Baptist woman up the road. Look people, look a witness right here. I jammed the Baptist. I jammed the Baptist. She getting sick. She had to run for his son. She had to run for his son. Take it from me, you know. When I jam she up the road, she had to run for his son by and shake bell by them thing can't stop by. Had to come with gun, come with thing, and come to kill me by. And when all you come with that, all you have to come good because let me tell you something. Destroy this temple, I build it back in 3 days by. Destroy this temple, I build it back in 3 days, people. You understand? Thanks to the man who come in to organize my studio. When I build my studio, thanks to the people who send the gun for me. Thanks to the people who send the gun for me, and thanks to the camera. Let them come. So when I put bullet in their ass, and they come in my yard, and I jam them, the police and them go say, alright. I want them come. Anybody I catch in my yard. Shagwana police station is a waste of time. Come. Come. Shit snake. I said that Obia man. Let me shit on Obia man by. Waste of time. Hear this tune, listen to that. Hear this tune for that, people.
John 3:16 says, for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son,
that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish but have everlasting life. You know why? Jesus, boy. Jesus' blood, boy. Look at me here. Let your heart be honest and true. Your battles that go fight you. Just let your heart be honest and true. And all your battles that God fighting for you. I do it by myself, it didn't work out. I do it with somebody else and go on the next route. Sincerely I call Jesus name in my mouth. And I tell you, oh look it working out. So let your heart be honest and true. And all your battles like God fighting for you. So let your heart be honest and true. And all your battles let God fighting for you. God bless John with a good house. God bless Peter with a good wife. As soon as I get to know Jesus Christ, I tell you, I start thinking twice. So let your heart be honest and true. And all your battles let God fighting for you. Just let your heart be honest and true. And all your battles let God fighting for you. When I was hungry, you gave me bread. You quenched my thirst, you anoint my head. Without Christ, my life will be worse. That is why you must always put Jesus first. So let your heart be honest and true. Big up to Jeffrey Logan. Just let your heart be honest. Yeah, the light sticking, they always do that. So I had to ride out. I had to ride out now. And I tell you, you can never go wrong. I don't know, right? Let's see if it's still sticking. It is sticking now. Alright. Let me go with a little tune. Let me go with a little tune. Let me go with my tune here now. This is my tune here for the I picked the song for tonight. All and come again. Give me now. Early in the morning, late in the night, feed the love gangs and the girl them wa fight. Early in the morning, late in the night, feed the love gangs and the girl them wa fight. And me say wheel, what a name calling. Feed the love gangs and the girl them wanting. And me say wheel, what a name calling. Feed the love gangs and the girl them wanting. And me say wheel, what a name calling. Feed the love gangs and the girl them wanting. And me say wheel, what a name calling. Feed the love gangs and the girl them wanting. Me say Abaddon me dead, I love gangster. At me son me dead, I love gangster. Up and down on the bed, I love gangster. Back shot on me bed, I love gangster. Abaddon me dead, I love gangster. At me son me dead, I love gangster. Up and down on the bed, I got love gangsta. Back shot on the bed, I got love gangsta. Money and girls, no war and no crime. Only with the chicks, then I want to line. Drink up my rum and have a good time. Mr. People give you this time, no cross my line. The acid Douglas in the corner. If you see she walking up, she bumper. And go see Destra down in the back. She winding so fast, giving man heart attack. Me say abandon my bed, I got love gangsta. I pick on my bed, I got love gangsta. Up and down on the bed, I got love gangsta. Back shot on the bed, I got love gangsta. Me say wheel, what a name calling. The love gangsta, the next side. Me say wheel, what a name calling. Feed the love, Facebook say it now. Abandon my bed, I got love gangsta. At the sun, my bed, I got love gangsta. Up and down on the bed, I got love gangsta. Back shot on the bed, I got love gangsta. Oh, let's sing it out, man. I did for tonight. I had a song they pack up for to all you know. But I'm going to sing that some other time, right? So I'm telling all you, before I go, take a little ganja song here. Take my next song again out. Ah, shut up and shut to them, boys. Before I go, hear this one. So Rani Nani, look she come and die. If you see how she Rani, how she hold she here and cry. Don't cry cause she done die. Don't cry cause she done die. So Rani crying for she nanny, look jai. Don't cry cause she done die. Don't cry cause she done die. So Rani crying for she nanny, look jai. So Rani is a girl, she loves she nanny, but coming down to the end by she treating she badly. That is why you're seeing water running from she eye, because you never miss the water till the well run dry. Don't cry cause she done die. Don't cry cause she done die. Cause Rani crying for she nanny, look jai. I like that. My next song like this.